best, most exciting thing you got.
Yeah.
Footage today.
Flash your titties.
What is this? Hula hoop. What do they call it on the continent? I heard it was called stirrup hoe. I was like, holy shit, I never heard of that. So, you go to the continent and you want to farming, they call it a stirrup hoe?
I called it stirrup hoe.
Alright, so, does anyone see the difference between this hula hoe and that hula hoe?
Yes. Yeah. Angled.
Okay, which one do you think is going to work better?
The angled one.
Why?
Get more of a point.
Because you're digging.
Okay, so this is a Home Depot hula hoe. This is a hula hoe from Johnny's. Not to endorse Johnny's Seed Company, but they do have a lot of good stuff. You want to get a hula hoe that has this kind of rounded the kind. You have a flat one like this. What ends up happening is you're going to miss half your weeds. And also the way that this oscillates doesn't do as nice as this guy. So you want to find something that has kind of a head like this. The junk thing about Johnny's is, like, let's say you have one of these and you just want to replace the head. At Johnny's you got to buy the wood and the head. What I like to say is that every time you're farming on your knees, you're doing it wrong, unless you're maybe harvesting. If you weed early and often, you will never need to hand pull anything, dig out weeds, all that kind of stuff. So the key to using this is like using it like you're at your grandma's house and you clean every week, right? So 5 minutes of brooming the floor keeps it nice.